What's up YouTube? It's Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show the best and the only Propstream tutorial you need in order to comp a property correctly and accurately. So if you all don't mind, if you find value from this video, which I know you all will, be sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and then check out the Propstream link down below if you're interested in learning how Propstream can help your business and just to find motivated sellers and to run numbers for your property. So I like Propstream because it's just like a one-stop shop for everything needed in your wholesaling business, whether you want to run numbers, send out direct mail, send out some text, find data. It's all there for a pretty low price. So if you want to try it out for 7 days free, check the link down below. All right, so in today's video, we're going to talk about finding ARV. I know a lot of you all are questioning how to find market value or after repair value. We're going to talk about repair costs, and we're going to talk about how to come up with your offer price, especially in this time when prices are a little bit higher than usual. So there has to be different adjustments made, and we're all going to do this on Propstream. So this is going to be a quick video, straight to the point. So let's see if we can make it under 10 minutes. All right. So first of all, I just wrote up this document because I talked about this before in a previous video, but about how to run comps. And I noticed that every year I have to update some of my videos for you all, and because the climate has changed and everything. So after repair value, so all we're going to do is go on Propstream and look at what they say the estimated value is for a particular property, because usually they're spot on with their um, estimates. But of course, you can search or look at different websites just to make a comparable. But honestly, Propstream has all the comparables for finding the repair value. So we're in Propstream right now. I already looked up an address for you all. All right, so this is the address. It's in California, and what we're going to do, we're just going to click up on details. And then from here, we're going to look at this number right here. So the estimated value is $663,000. Last year's 577, which makes sense because property values have increased. But that's a big increase actually, around 90,000. Okay, so what I would do, I would base my market value off of this. Your ARV is after repair value. So after the house is all repaired up and everything, that's how much you can sell it. And it's important to know that because that's the number you can advertise to your cash buyers, saying, hey, if you get this property at this price, you can sell it for this number. I done my research. I look at the comparables and saw what sold in the area. So we're going to look at that right here. So right here, Propstream has this beautiful filter, this beautiful criteria called comparables and nearby listings. And they have all this information right here for you all to read and to talk and just to estimate the repair value. So you can even edit it right here to how many square footage you want to see. For example, this house is 1100. Let's say you want to make it very accurate. You can put like 1100 right here and then 1200 right here or something like that. And you can change the sales date. This is within the past year. You can even do it within the past 6 months if you want to do something like that. You can even filter it down to other houses that sold that had similar bedrooms and baths. So, for example, we know this house is a 3-bed right here and 2-bath property. It's around 1,100 square feet. So, if we look at comparables at what sold around the area, for example, this house right here sold for 637, and this was in March of this year. It has 3 beds, 2 baths. It's like spot on, exactly the same amount of square footage. So this is a great comparable. It was built in 1955. I said built in 1955. Oh my goodness, this seems like the exact same house. So this is 1230 and this is 629. So look at this. They have this information right here. You don't have to go to Zillow and Redfin and do all these different things. Like you can just stay here on Propstream and just find this number right here. So if you all are interested, link down below, check it out. And then another thing that you can do right here is if you don't want to see all these filters, let's just say you just want to see how much is sold for and the square footage. You can do that. You can click right here and you can uncheck all these other boxes and only keep, like, for example, of course, the address, the amount, and the square footage checked. And it'll filter it down just to show those filters, because a lot of times when you see all these different boxes, all these different information, it can get confusing. Another thing about comparables that I like on PropStream is that you can view comp report. So I already ran it. It took like a minute to run. So I already have it up, and it has a house right here. It has all the information. Um, it talks about the ones that last time it was sold and everything like that. And yeah, and then they just have a complete record. Let's say you want some private financing or something, or you need to show this to someone, you can just print this out and send it out to them or something like that, or even your cash buyer, for a cash buyer package. And then they even have like this information right here where it talks about the owner's name, the address, and it even has the picture right here for you all to see. So this is a great report if you're looking to go into more detail on selling your property and presenting that to your cash buyer. So next, let's go to repair costs. All right, we're decent on time. Let's get it. Okay, so repair. So do not get stuck at this calculation, right? On calculating the repair costs to wholesale properties. I think a lot of us beginners, beginners, they just overthink this. Just look at the market value and just see how low you can go. Like if there's no major repairs needed, like if you walk inside and like you walk in the kitchen and you're like sinking down, yeah, that's a huge issue, right? You got to get it at a significantly low price. But if it's like cosmetic, maybe a little leak here and there, it may not need a new roof, or even if it does need a new roof, what I like to base it off of, um, this is just around my area. It's like a 25 to $35,000 for a mid-sized house. But that's always um, area based. In California, for example, is way more expensive. So I've shown this before on my other channel, but you can click here to rehab calculator. And then from there, it will take you to a website and you can open an existing project or estimate a new project cost, and you can go up in here. For example, let's just go here, and this calculator will allow you to input different information that, I guess, categorize a different project in the rehab process. So for example, if you search by popular projects, let's say we need a new bathroom. We go to bathrooms, we need a complete remodel, or let's just say we need a shower and tub combo. I know you guys seen them before um, in rehabs and whatnot. And then let's just keep it fiberglass material. Let's keep it economy. We want to save money. This is for the bathroom, not the bedroom, and then add to estimate. And voila, it gives you a price for that. So if you walk in and you see, wow, okay, this bathroom probably needs a remodel, you can estimate it. That's going to be anywhere between 2,300 and maybe $4,000. If it's in California, maybe even more. Like a complete bathroom remodel, if there's no major repairs, may cost you around 5,000. I'm not sure, but that's another tool. But don't get hung up by this. Over time, you'll get better and better at calculating repair costs. Next thing I want to talk about your offer. So this is our traditional thing, 70% rule. So you take the ARV. So we take that 633 right here. Okay, we multiply that by 70%, and then we minus our repair costs and we minus our wholesale fee. So, for example, if we look on the calculator real quick, so if you put $633,000 and and 33, whatever. And then we sit, my bad, y'all. Okay, 633 times 0.7, because that's 70%. Okay, that's 443. Let's say it needs 50,000 of repairs. Okay, and then you subtract your wholesale fee. Let's say you want to make $15,000. That will have to be your offer, $378,000 for you. So you're down from 633 to 378. But in today's market, sellers are not going to sell this property for that much unless it's like a gut job. So what I like to do, I like to just do the 633 a lot of times and just multiply it by 0.65, 0.63, and that would be my offer, around $411,000. And so, like, for example, I put 62% now. You can make it 65%. I would just take the market value, I'll multiply that by 65%, or even as high as 70%, because people are, paying higher for houses too, because they are making more money. So I hope that helps answer those numbers, how to run your numbers directly off of Propstream using their comps area right here, their rehab calculator, and just submitting your offer through, based off of this estimated value right here and everything like that. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, check out Propstream down below if you're interested in learning how to wholesale more properties. And I hope you all have a great day. I'll talk to you all later. Peace.